Hey, are you the one who lost his job during the pandemic? Don't worry, you are not alone. An estimated of 12.2 crore people lost their job during the last wave of coronavirus. You may be tempted to question yourself how you have arrived at this point where you lost your job, your savings are getting down, and nothing is in your control. Remember, everything that is beginning certainly has an end. Life on this planet runs on a cycle of ups and downs. If you find yourself on the downside, there's upcoming soon. This situation is only a challenge on the downside. Soon, it's going to take a new face up. Get that feeling that there is something better on the line beyond now, and that's refreshing. This lockdown does not shut your mind down. Refuse to stay down. It's time to get your mind to work. Be hopeful, get light. It's time for you to catch a new picture, a new reality, a new glimpse. It's time to pick your tools and fight. It's not the end. It never was. It's only a phase you have to go through. It's not the end of your life or this world. Stay hopeful.